because we came over that bridge yesterday.
Oh, that view. Amazing.
Oh, really zooming. Does he have to go so fucking fast? Yeah. There's no streets. No streets.
I can't see any roads. Can you see roads?
No.
There's some cars down there coming away somewhere. Go back there,
Old town does look magnificent, Gary. Gary, shut up. So not for long.
Holy cow. I've never seen anything as good. This makes the Great Ocean look like a...
Please don't make me drive. Oh, God, I felt ill when I was... That big monster.
It's a big shop set around here. I like it. They're called little towns, but that's kind of hate for them. People drive here from Montenegro, Dubrovnik, just to go to H&M.
Yeah.
They would love to do that. Yeah, but I'll just shoot up there with my little jalopy.
Yeah, I don't think so.
You're going to have to watch to see when you show it yourself. Hey, that'd be fun. You'll be watching it go. I just didn't realise that it's not just the cities. You go 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes out. It's just like it's just populated everywhere. It's just villages and towns. I'm not down there. Like, how would you know where to stay down there?
I didn't want to look.
At one stage, there's a car and I've got a bike decides to overtake him. So I said to ease on because if the bus went there, I thought that way it was open there. So you make that was good to what you said.
Yep.
You've got to get all the way around Spain.
Yep. So this is to walk back.